Imagine this. You've built a stunning website, diligently finessing each detail, yet there's one hiccup. No leads are flowing from your site. Astonishingly, the majority of small business sites lack an explicit call to action, a vital component for generating leads. But don't worry, today we'll delve into 9 strategies to optimize your site for lead generation. Fundamentally, a clear, enticing call to action is non-negotiable. This is the lighthouse guiding potential leads to your contact or product page. Consider it a bright billboard in the digital realm, shouting, "Hey, check this out." Make it pertinent, inviting, and crucially, make it visible. Research indicates that sites with robust CTAs can boost conversion rates significantly, guiding visitors on their next steps and fostering urgency. Studies have shown that websites with strong CTAs can increase conversion rates by up to 200% because they guide visitors on what to do next and create a sense of urgency. Secondly, user experience is king. The ease with which a visitor can navigate through your website has a direct impact on your lead generation, conversion rates, and overall business success. A complex, bewildering website layout can discourage potential customers, losing you valuable leads. Conversely, a clean, intuitive design fosters a positive user experience and encourages visitors to interact with your site and complete your desired actions. Why is this so important? It's because the user experience significantly influences visitors' first impressions of your site and, consequently, their decision to convert. This connection is evidenced by a study conducted by Nielsen Norman Group, which concluded that a positive initial impression molded by the user experience can boost conversion rates by a staggering 94%. Therefore, it's essential to create a user interface that is seamless, user-friendly, and welcoming, thus eliminating friction, instilling trust, and ensuring accessibility. So craft a user-friendly experience with these in mind, and conversions will likely follow. Third on our list is the power of testimonials. Testimonials are the badges of trust and credibility that reassure your website visitors, providing them with the assurance that they're on the right track. This feeling of reassurance is similar to a comforting nod from a trusted friend. Testimonials, when used correctly and strategically, can elevate your conversion rates to a significant degree. According to research studies, the right testimonials can increase conversion rates by an impressive 34%. This impressive increase is not something you want to overlook. Therefore, it's key to strategically sprinkle them across your website, from your homepage to your landing pages, and even throughout your marketing materials. Authenticity is important here. You don't want to use stale, fake, or unimpressive testimonials just for the sake of it. Choose testimonials that will truly resonate with your target audience, painting a vivid and genuine picture of their potential experience with your product or service. Next, we have mobile optimization. In this modern digital age, a significant proportion of online activities are carried out via mobile devices. This is an irrefutable fact, given that over half of web traffic now originates from these handy devices. This has dramatically shifted the status of a mobile-friendly website from being a mere luxury to an absolute necessity. Hence, businesses must ensure they keep pace with this trend. Neglecting to ensure that your site is compatible with smartphones is tantamount to turning your back on potential leads. Remember, it's crucial to maintain a seamless user experience across all devices. The good news is, mobile optimization isn't as daunting as it sounds. Google Search Console, a reliable tool at your disposal, provides a range of free resources to help you identify and address mobile usability issues. These could range from improving the legibility of small text to adjusting the spacing between buttons. Fix these issues, and you'll see an upward trajectory in your mobile conversions. The fifth way to optimize your website for lead generation is through SEO. SEO, short for search engine optimization, is the practice of tailoring your website to meet the standards and preferences of search engines. By doing so, your website's visibility on search engine result pages is heightened, thereby increasing the probability attracting organic leads. Think of it as setting up a potent magnet within the expansive and competitive digital landscape. This magnet, powered by SEO, works tirelessly to attract users who display an interest in the products, services, or information you offer. A study conducted by Marketing Charts revealed that almost 60% of B2B businesses attribute their lead generation triumphs largely to their SEO endeavors. This data underscores the vital role played by SEO in generating leads and facilitating business growth. To amplify the benefits of SEO, adopt these tried and tested strategies. Optimize all visual assets. Understand the search intent of your target audience to guide content creation. Use keywords strategically, and prioritize the production of high-value content. These measures can significantly enhance your SEO performance. For even more targeted insights, consider researching SEO within your specific industry or niche. Next on the agenda is employing lead magnets. These involve offering something valuable to a visitor in return for their contact information. The offerings can vary from an insightful ebook to a free consultation. The crucial point is to ensure the value is irresistible enough for visitors to willingly provide their email. SEO does help in lead generation, but it's even more effective when synchronized with lead magnets. Essentially, invaluable content given in return for contact details. Unbound states that lead magnets fused with SEO-optimized landing pages result in a 51% higher conversion rate. Don't forget to supercharge your lead magnet with SEO. Carry out keyword research, develop a well-optimized landing page, disseminate it on social platforms, and create internal links. Watch the leads pour in thereafter. Seventh on our list is the use of chatbots. These digital gizmos are not just code, but a helpful assistant that works 24/7 for your service. They're not just bots, but are programmed to answer frequently asked questions, guide your visitors around your website, and even assist in gathering valuable contact information. All this while you're engaged in other activities, may it be sleeping or enjoying your morning coffee. As per Intercom, websites that employ chatbots have observed an increase in their average order value by a whopping 30%. You can optimize their efficiency by designing them to engage early with friendly greetings, qualify leads through well-crafted questions, and personalize the conversation by presenting relevant offers. Watch your chatbot transform into a lead gen superhero. Make efforts to engage early with friendly greetings, qualify leads through well-designed questions, and personalize the conversation with relevant offers. Your chatbot lead gen hero will rise. Eighth, we have the use of videos. Videos are the visual language of the internet, seamlessly integrating compelling visuals and sound to communicate complex ideas. They're a powerhouse tool that can significantly increase web engagement, transform abstract concepts into comprehensible information, and serve as a potent lead generation mechanism. Imagine having a captivating salesperson functioning tirelessly on your site. That's the power of videos. Unbounce's research elucidates the impact of videos, indicating that incorporating a video on your landing page can uplift conversion rates by a staggering 53%. Furthermore, multiple studies affirm that 64% of consumers are more likely to buy a product after viewing a related video. Evidently, the persuasive power of videos can't be underestimated. It's time to start adding videos to website and sales pages to generate leads. And finally, we have analytics. This tool allows you to track and analyze visitor behavior, helping you pinpoint what works and what needs improvement on your website. Think of it as a crystal ball for your website's performance. Forbes states that businesses leveraging analytics can see up to a 49% increase in revenue growth. Use analytics to define success goals, monitor bounce rates, analyze traffic sources, and track conversion paths. We've discussed 9 effective methods to optimize website and increase lead generation: clear call to action, user-friendly design, testimonials, mobile optimization, SEO, lead magnets, chatbots, videos, and analytics. By deploying these strategies, your website can become a powerful lead generator. Your website is more than just a digital business card. It's an interactive tool that can help achieve your goals. Are you feeling inspired already? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing insights to stay ahead of the game and achieve your goals.